everybody, welcome back to my vlog, my channel, Queen de la Classroom. So at this time, you guys see that there is a lot of us teacher YouTubers doing videos yesterday and today, and it is for the YouTube Valentine Teacher Exchange. And this is a special episode because it's also the Queen's birthday. Yes, so this makes this extra special for me. It puts an extra special smile on my face. I don't know what's in the box. However, it's quite funny. If you've looked at Shantae's video already, we picked each other by coincidence. So I was like, wow, she picked me and I picked her. How cool is that? And neither one of us knew except for Ruth. So Ruth, I join in with everyone saying that this was a great idea that you had, and I'm so glad that you did this. This gave me an extra smile to go along with the many Valentine's and birthday gifts that was shown to me by my husband. So I do want to thank you for doing this. Today was a difficult day, but it was also a beautiful day, and so this actually helped me to keep the smile on my face. So to you, Ruth, I say thank you. Keep doing you, keep being real, keep being 100. Shante, let's see what goodies you have for the Queen this year. So again, I just opened it because I'm a little bit challenged and I don't need to cut myself on my birthday. So yeah, so I opened it, but I didn't look inside. Okay, so I have it sitting here. Opening. I already love the bag. Nice red bag. Beautiful. I'm going to put this to the side. All right, so let's see. This is so fun. All right, so beautiful card. And she put a sticky note on here that says, "Hope you like them," with a smiley face. I am sure that I will. Again, this is the birthday card. You have such beautiful penmanship, my lady. OMG. I don't know what to pull out first. Okay, so Expo markers. All right, I love them. For my fellow teachers, I know you guys love these, but for the substitute teachers and guest long-term subs, when we go into a classroom, we really, you know, I don't know, it's a personal preference of mine to have my own things. So thanks, Shante, for this, because I do like to bring my own Expo markers. And also, for those of you who don't know me, I'm a germaphobe, so I really like to have my own utensils because, you know, I don't know whose things, you know, it's too much flu going around and the Queen doesn't have time to get the flu. I don't want to catch anyone's germs. So thank you, Shante, for those. I will definitely be using that. Oh, wow. This is my favorite. This is my favorite scent. Hello, beautiful. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Sleep therapy. I will definitely be using these on those nights when I cannot sleep, because this definitely works. Uh-oh. And let's see, I have open already, but I have some Mr. Sketch markers. Oh, my middles love these. When I mark on their paper, I just put a little happy face, and they just get so geeked up when they see that you could scratch and sniff. Yeah, so this is so cool. Thank you, thank you. All right, put these back in the box. And I love all the colors. And they had a few that wanted to stay in the bag, so we're gonna put these back in the package. I'm not editing anything out of this video, so yeah, that's how it is. Right, and I think it's one last thing in here. Yeah. Okay. That there. Alright, so, alright. Stress relief, body wash, and foam bath. This is so awesome. Man, because I have the lotion that goes with this. So, this is perfect. Girl, have you been looking in my cabinet to see what I'm missing? Because I just refuse to go in Bath and Body Works this year. For some reason, I just can't force myself to go in there. So that is everything from Shante. Again, I will showcase them. Got body cream, stress relief, foam bath, expo markers. Hello beautiful. I'll be wearing this on tomorrow. And oh, of course, Mr. Sketch markers. Definitely a win. And for the last but certainly not least, card. Beautiful card too. I love roses. On Valentine's Day, to Stephanie, for all the yesterdays that you have filled with happy memories, for all the todays that you fill with your special warmth, this Valentine's Day wish is filled with love, especially for you. Happy Valentine's Day from Shante. This is so awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Shante, you outdid yourself. You definitely have paid attention to what the queen likes. Yes, ma'am. So I'm pretty well set on Bath and Body Works for a minute. So I appreciate you for that, so I don't have to go in there. Thanks to you. Also, I wanted to share with you guys a little bit of a few things that, one thing I got for myself that I just couldn't not order it, and it is this book. When I go into my middle classrooms, I bring this book with me and share with them a story, one of the stories from someone in this Little Leaders, Bold Women in Black History. And I'll also have this for next month when it is Women's History Month. So I'm excited to treat myself with this book. Also, yeah, so between him and Shante, and Ruth, girl, you did a thing this year. So I'm definitely all in for any future things that you want to do. Just let me know, and I'm definitely down to participate and join in all the camaraderie and just building up our beautiful teacher community, teacher YouTuber community. So I want to say thank you guys again for being here with me on this fabulous YouTube Teacher Valentine exchange / birthday vlog on today. This was an extra special vlog that I'm giving to you, unedited, you get the real deal. You get the queen today. And I've been to dinner, so I'm stuffed. And I'm going to go and get this video uploaded for all of you to take part in viewing, to see what I received. And so, again, to Shante, thank you, thank you, thank you for choosing some fabulous gifts for the queen this year. And I can't wait to put some of these things in my bag for my assignment for tomorrow. So thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.